Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, thanks for passing through, and I hope you like, I hope you subscribe, and I hope you come back for more videos. So in this video today, guys, I remember I did a video a few weeks ago where I was just giving my opinion based on what is some of my experience and the experience of others that I have seen. So I was giving my opinion about what it is like to leave the land of your birth, especially at an older age, where you have already started families of yourselves, and to go to a new country undocumented and to try to get your papers sorted. It is not it is not easy. It is not easy, and it is very difficult when you are here and you try to tell others back home of what it is. People will say, "Oh, it's because you don't want us to come," or Jamaicans like to use what they would call bad mind. You're bad minding me because you don't want me to be there and all of those stuff. Now, in this topic today, Right, in this topic today, we're going to be having a look at King and Shay. Now, King and Shay is a Jamaican couple, old enough, probably early 40s, late 30s to early 40s, I'm assuming. And they do YouTube. They're YouTubers. You know, when you're on YouTube and you've built up your audience, I mean, that can actually be a source of income if you're consistent and if your videos are doing well. However, they had their thing going from Jamaica, where their channel was doing what I would say pretty well, and where they could stay exactly where they are and build and continue building, and they would be growing, they would be growing, they would be growing even more, and they will be in a country with nice warm climate where majority of the people looks like you, so it kind of make you feel a bit more comfortable. I know things are not 100% in Jamaica, but based on my experience, it is better than foreign. Yes, it is better than foreign. Who have a different, that's my opinion. You might have a different opinion than mine, but in my opinion is Jamaica. Foreign is not better than, it's not a better rose, and it's not better than Jamaica. And it's only sad that we have to come in it and live in it for many, many years before we ourselves are able to come to that conclusion, because in the beginning, I mean, a lot of us have the same perspective of saying greener pastures and all of those things. When you come and when you realize you go in a new country, you have got to learn about their way of doing things. It is not the fact of saying, okay, it's another English speaking country, so things should be okay. No, there are a lot of cultural differences from a foreign country, or from most other countries. They have differences. I don't know, maybe the Caribbean have a lot of similarities, but I'm sure they have differences where we do things differently. When you try to explain those things to people, they take it the wrong way, and you know that's another story for another debate. So anyway, back to King and Shay. So King and Shay, they lived in Jamaica. They have 3 kids. I think 2 of them are in their early teens, and a smaller child. So these people, they decided to take it to the border, and now they have landed in the US of A. Now, when I heard that's what they did, like, you're in a country where you're able to build yourself, that's Jamaica, albeit it's very hard to survive in Jamaica. I am not saying it is easy. It is not easy to survive anywhere on the planet. But trust me, wherever you are, once you have the ambition and you have that drive, you can literally do whatever it is that you want. But sadly, when you come to this country, you get caught up, and it's like you're caught up in a circle where you just keep going over and over and over. You're working to pay the bills, you don't have enough money to save, and all of those things. I know everyone's situation is not the same, but I'm just giving you a synopsis of what some people have gone through. My situation wasn't as horrible as I heard from other stories where people leave Jamaica or leave whatever foreign country they're from, and they come to what they call a first world country. And it's a shock because the life and living that you have to accept, the things that you have to accept, is like some people can't do it. Some people literally go back on the next flight because not to mention the coal, it's not only that, especially if you have young children. If you have young kids and you don't have um an extended family of such, to help with babysitting and all those things, all your money gone in babysitting, right? Anyway, these people, they left from Jamaica and they come to this to US with all their 3 kids. They took the kids them out of school and everything, and everybody run. Now they're in this country. A lot of people, before the papers are sorted, a lot of people get work underneath the table. So I don't know why those people don't want to do that. It's not, I agree that they might be making money from YouTube, but to help solidify yourself in our country, to help to integrate, you have to get a work and maybe, probably getting the job at first. You won't be paying like taxes and those things because you're undercover or whatever. But by going out there to work, meeting new people, you get new information every day. You get a lot of new ideas as how to move forward in a new country because you're meeting people constantly. Anyway, these two, they decide that them now come America come work because I've heard he said it on his live that him now come. So I'm thinking, so yes, YouTube can be, you can make money from YouTube if you're dedicated to it and all of that stuff. But then work on that and so you can support yourself. But no, 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 that's not what this couple decides to do. This couple decides, along with many other people on TikTok, I don't know where people pride has gone because I'm speaking about in Jamaica now. I don't know what it is like in in other places, but over on the Jamaican TikTok, I don't know why it is that it seems as if people has lost their pride because this thing of where people is just begging, 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 and they have no shame about just coming on the line. Guys, beg you this. Guys, beg you that. Who can give me this? Who can give me that? I mean, you're going to have kids growing up around you, and that's what you're teaching them. Remember, kids are like sponge. Whatever they see the parent does, they're going to soak up everything. So if they see the parent not being productive, they have parents that are not productive, how you expect those kids are going to end up when they're not going to know any better. They're not going to have parents that go out there and produce and to make life better instead of being on TikTok. And every day these people, they don't have anywhere to live. Their lifestyle is so difficult now in the US because they don't have any papers. And on top of that, this man was even encouraging other people, say him have links as to how them can come when this man not even the drop in the country. 2 days, this man they start give out link and I tell people how them can reach over there as well, as if to say that's why people say they can't reach because the way how their reasoning is like it's just their reason quite childlike and know that they're in this predicament. They were homeless, literally homeless in America with 3 kids. 5 people are homeless. On top of the 5, the girl's dad is involved as well. So it's 6 people living in the US. None of them have no papers. Nobody decides that they want to get a little job and go and do something. If I even King as the man, I don't know how King as the man, King supposed to go out there, go look at him family to make sure that his family is okay. Look at work, you still can come and do your YouTube and do your TikTok because at the end of the day, it wouldn't have money coming in from all angles. But no, no, no. This man be on the internet and they must send him down there, pictures go get everybody and all kind of thing. And then this girl, she's just making up some of the weirdest excuse. I don't know. Love is a dangerous thing in a man because how can you everybody can see what's going on, but you are in the situation, but you're not able to see what is taking place. Um, it's a thing, people. Anyway, now them in America, now have no office stay, and everything is just all over the place. And when they put their business online, and other people come and comment about the dirty lifestyle they are living, because I don't understand what could possess me. What would possess me to take my 3 kids out of school, take them out of an education? Gone at a better one of them did go. Maybe if one of them went before and then like the man went before and met the way, but then again, King can't read, so him now go have enough knowledge to do the thing, how it will go. So probably that's why Shay decides say if anything, all of us is just gonna go. But it's a dumb thing for run away from your yard, where you're not paying rent, where you can find food, where you're still making money from social media, and just because you say everybody around go across the border now, none of them people they single, although I know a lot of people have gone with their kids and so forth, but I'm assuming that majority of those people that go by the border are single people. But how can a responsible man take up himself, 3 of his kids, and got the border, and now they're living in such deplorable conditions, and you will still have people who have never traveled before, people back home who have never traveled before. It's like those people have the most to say without those people have the most to say without ever being without ever go on a plane, but they can stay in Jamaica and say, no, try and do this, or they need to do this, or you can do this and you can do that. Yes, I'm not saying that they're not going to get help, and I'm hoping that they do get help, because for the sake of the 3 kids, they need an education and they don't deserve to be going around in all this mess that the parents have created. And I'm really hoping that somewhere, somehow, they get to sort themselves out. But if they keep on putting everything online, because now people are saying they're scamming, like people are saying they have their money and they're just doing this to get, like, can someone degrade themselves that much just in order to get, well, I mean, I don't know. Anyway, guys, let me insert some tips of what some people are saying, and I'll be right back. So enjoy the video, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, remember to leave your comment. See you in a bit. Bye.
The girl said she look work, give me and I don't want work. Come and tell you how the working part go. Right? To hold me only in an argument, not even YouTube video we can concentrate on. So here I know. Girl, so you go sit down and take this. I'm not take this away from no man. You understand? And so she tell me, I say, you know, say a true thing. God knows I need something to do. I ask her, right? She said she used to do nursing. Part of the time she do nursing. She said even though she will do it now and again. You understand me? So I say I have no link. She said, yeah man, she have a link. So I say, she tell me about one car one. So I said, just come over here and drive. I said, no sir, that the one that not go work, cause I have to drive a person go up and down. That the one that would work. Right? And then she said, alright, me have one good one in mind. Right? And she tell me about the work where I have to stay overtime as a live-in work. Look for me now. Live-in work. Why the need that really want me to live in? No, sitting now, man. Not sitting now. The time I when me did, you see when she suggested work, the time I when me find out everything. You understand me? So me I say, I wonder if she thinks that she wise. You understand me? Why should I want me to go live in? Me have kids, right? Why should I want me to go live in and left on my Monday? I'm a pitney with her. Looking at that, why she want me to go away from the house? You understand me? So that's why she come back and talk about she lazy, she this, she that shit. What's other part of the address now? What's other many parts there? Any part where me so is gonna be addressed and missed. You hear what she say? Me not know I know. She said O'Neill, the reason why her big daughter leave from there was because his daughter come in and see O'Neill a jack off and she feel uncomfortable and she left out. I don't know if your daughter come say O'Neill do that, but come tell her why she tell me say daughter leave out. Me used to look after the little boy, right? Me and King used to look after the little boy. She used to leave him with me when she had to work, right? Bathe him, clean him, everything like that, give him things to eat until she have 2 daughters. 2 of them the nursing, right? Nobody no want clean the little boy. She tell me say she if she dey a road and then she leave the baby with them, she have to left one road and come in come clean them. You understand me? There was a time when we was there, right? And she O'Neill and somebody else they go up on the road and his daughter did it and he
This is definitely not a prank, guys.
No, man, no prank. It's a be right now. I have to go buy a bluebird. Sashay them have to go buy a bluebird. Give me last night.
Because
dash me out in room.
I will go get
I
them.
first ever sit near them happen to me to rascal. If I went to Jamaica, they give him some rascal.
Wait.
Him couldn't sleep in the house now if I went to Jamaica in there.
Come
Before we don't feel out the door.
Come
Call police.
Come tell you know how I get down to all of this now. The data come here, right? And from the data come here is like
Problem.
is like
Jealous.
a demons will let
Jealous
in
and
our
a
house.
demons in jealous. Because he know say mother a government man in mother.
You understand me? The girl
talk up to me.
If you want to lie, me tell for your business back.
Woman will talk up to me and tell me if he left King because King is not a good man. But see, him show me video. Him show me video for real.
With his face.
And one of the main one, I'm sir.
More than one of them.
Me say, you know, say me da go answer, me da go come out.
Right.
Yo, me did want
Alright, don't call him, just don't call him. And
me did want
sometimes
answer
them come
and
and they act like the boy, me see them, and me do things and me take out private, I show them. They're the ones started to show things. They're the ones started to say, and when they not get me feed them weird. When they not get me feed them weird. You get what I mean? And them what them try to do to me afar now is like, oh, she's not good for you and Brary and I could take care of her, you are a good man and this and that and Shayna carry herself good afar and look at and them say to me, King, look you come afar and look you can just look you look nice, look you look nice and look what she carry herself, look what she carry here, look what she this and she do this. I can take care of you. I'm a single
man. Witness, yeah, somebody will tell me that for sure. She tell me say left king, and she tell me say she gonna talk certain things, you know.
Just don't call the person. Just don't call
but what she tell me say a left king. You understand me? Left king, left a boy and go look somebody else. But she has said, you don't know what she and king are do one, you know. You understand me? But I told them, I'm see fear front in a king phone. You understand me?
More than one of them people. You get what I mean, people? But I'm never ask them for nothing. I didn't ask them for nothing. At them.
Because
is me I say and
but she tell King for left me too.
Is me I say?
She tell King say left a girl. You understand me? Left a girl. And tell me to left King. But hey, me not innocent. Me not say innocent. You know, innocent that me not pick up for him. You understand me? But me I tell us some of the same woman them yesterday. We are encouraged. Me say, yo, left it viral, big up yourself. Not come from too far. Stay strong, guys. Big up yourself, man, viral. Big up yourself, darling. Yeah, man, but some of the same woman them where you convinced me, I tell myself I left him. And I happen to buck up. one of them.
More than one of them, you see.
No, one of them mainly.
Oh.
Mainly, and she come on here. And she come on here. When me tell her say she come on, she go up on TikTok and she talk about things. And me I say, look there. I say, look at that. Look at that.
King and Shay current situation is living in the car with the kids pray for them.
Look here. We have paid $1,000 what we did there before. It was one room, but it was big enough. We only was supposed to make one move after that, and that's it. Cause I never did one. Come up here, so take the kids them from out of school. Them a go come here, so and then we are gonna move again because we never planned for second down right here. So when we are move again, we have to move, take the kids them out of school. And me tell her say, you know what hurt me for no say yo, me never did one come. Me look at O'Neil and me say O'Neil, you know so me not feel like so we should have moved. Talk it through O'Neil.
Yeah.
Talk it through. Me always love work with my spirit, yo. I always love work with my spirit. Me tell O'Neil, except God no. I not feel like to move. I not feel like to move from here, so what we did there. Follow my spirit. That's one thing. If me follow my spirit, yo, me never go wrong. I'ma notice. Because the lady press word if you move, say would have better and we don't pay cheaper rent because even though we have a 2-room and she have one, she and Mr. Nice have one, she still gonna pay half her rent. You understand me? She gonna pay $625 and we pay $625. I would say, alright then. She says it's much better than here. That's how we did I live. No, leave it. You see that? Leave it. The cash app doesn't work. It's SHAY Gooden. SASHA.
King and Shay reveal where they are currently staying.
Yeah, people.
Yeah, clean up here, you know.
So, yeah.
You see, look at space, people. Yeah, I know, my 6 hours going here, so.
Yeah, people, so.
Let's give thanks and praise.
Yeah, so people, so I decided bathroom we're gonna use people, we're gonna use, you know, somebody give you some. Is me, I say, yes, sir, I want place in a city, but we're not tell which part in a city we're in a city, so. But yes, we're there right now, guys. You understand me? Get this, yes, so it's better than nothing, guys, than the work money. But the lady say, by next 5 months, 2 man work money. So yes, we are sleep, you know. We are sleep as well. So this is a room, guys. Is me, I say, but in a one closet. In a one closet, we're gonna make Mr. Nice stay in here, so in a little closet in here, so clean up in here and stay up in here, so people, so anyway, we just get us tonight. We are sleep in our hotel, but we are sleeping us tonight. Is me, I say tonight we are sleeping us, so and then tomorrow we tied up in a car. We just reaching the night, so we just make everybody know so we are right. And we just reach our destination, and in here, so we get to stay, people. You understand what I mean? One nice little 1-room place, and I'm sitting the guys. You understand what I mean? So give God thanks to everybody who they are look out for you guys. Don't worry on yourself, guys. One day things must get better. So Mr. Nice there. And see my daughter and son over there, so them just reach. Sasha kind of feel kind of shame, like, so she don't really want to come in the video and anything. You understand me? Kind of feel shame and she don't. And but me tell her, say, boy, I'm not shame about. We still can do it same way. We're not shame for telling us, boy, people are yes, so we get on them something. You understand what I mean? Nice place, people look good same way. You know, saying there's no shame about it. When you come a foreign and start a life. And you know, yeah, place good, but you want to hold up a work pan still, but we still can go on. You know, so at the daytime now, when the man them come to work pan, we just take out with things them and go to do. Yeah, cause I want we get to back of one bush, back of one little place. See back door up there, so. See back door up there, so. See back door up there, so. Is the so one lady have one little house I back in, just give way if you go on. You know, she go rent with. She go rent with, but she make you stay in as a free till, you know. Yeah. Till we life better, till we can go get one decent place for rent and them the people. So this is it, people. We are showing if I know people. This is it. Yeah, and some mean people.
Yeah, I see King up on live with Shay and I say,
or woman I tell him say feel if Shay cause Shay don't look good, blah blah blah. And them I say woman all a same king front and something. You know, so me watch a video and I say Shay is fucking delusional cause nobody don't want king but you. Then here comes Denise. I mean, if you tell me say Denise moving the 6 people them in our house, I take care of them just with the intention to take a girl man. And what everybody man you couldn't take your choose for one day king, you have to kill this bad. And then I feel like say the fact say King and Shay right now they might behave real careless and worthless. Me could not overlook Denise because Denise moving the people in the house. I find the girl living job just so she couldn't take a girl man. And then it's like she exposed the fact say she sent a man video and whatever, but your man have to entertain her for she sends man the video. Cause which woman just have to get up and see now then catch it and send a man, so come on. And then Una make so much money from off of YouTube, right? Una have to make a good amount of food from off of YouTube for Una say Una not do the 9 to 5, Una not work for nobody. In which enough YouTuber don't do 9 to 5 or work for anybody, so I'm not gonna. But if Una make that amount of good that good amount of money, why is it that Una have to come by live every 2 days say, guys we need help, any donation matters, blah blah blah? Why? Where the YouTube money take? Cause we can't have big talk and then a big. And then when I'm gonna show you look at apartment I say you pity them and go sleep right there, so your father go sleep over there, so when make me want go the money and me not the money for go now. When make me I feel bad for and want go the money and me not the money for go now. Yes, he say look bad there, sir, and me not give you money. No, sir. I feel like I want to change. I don't want to take on the money, do, but something need for go on. Something need for go on. Something need for change. Because I can't live so. But then you have nice people out there feel sorry for and go any money. Then again, I wonder if I'm not sure that local basement something there. I would not really steep this one, just a show it can once somebody feel sorry for no, or rent to no place, pay on rent, all of them same thing they buy on food, take care of them. Because that's what I want.
King and Shay, come off the internet, we tear down. We the people them tear down. Are you Shay? You know, so King I weapon of farm against you. Every day company that try to justify this where King do and who want King from who no want King and Ray and every day you come in a different story car. You don't want to scam people them. You don't need to come off the internet, man. You can't go look and work. Me 100% sure say you no hand no left up and I need to know mama. So make it you can go look and go work. You can try to do something on your life. Every day you come around and start to work and want people sorry for you. You need to come off the internet. Are you Shay go like another damn sense? You're upset at my spirit to the girl. Yeah. Come in and say what's up and King where you are run back. No make one. I need to come off the internet, man. When you get a little opportunity to go to bad, don't go on a friend and make something on yourself, man, and come off the internet. Every minute you come on a different story. Try to look at work, even on the account of work or something. Come off the internet, man. We tell you that on the bag of foolishness every day when you come. You can't have people sorry for you. You don't have sore foot. You come off the internet, man. We tell you that man. Tell you that on the story and King this and that, and you then come, oh, this and that with King or what. We tired that, we the people them tired that, we don't want you nothing more. We need to go look and work and come off the internet. Yeah, people them tired on a sad story now. When you come and beg left, right and center. People don't want you nothing more.
People, let me tell you this. You have one couple on the internet named King and Shay. Let me make you know something. You see that couple there? I prank them, I prank the world. Remember, official did tell you first. They are pranking everybody. And this morning, me watch a couple of them video. And me see them, I say which part them live. And this and that. You see the way how King attack? Me know see a lie. You understand what I try to say to you? Remember, say me telling you this. Is either the house where them, you see the house where you see them in right now without, well look off and thing. Is either for them house that where them make from the ground up in America or something, or is either I want a house where them are investing or something. But remember when me tell you this, They are pranking the entire internet. Them are prank the whole on except for me. And remember, when them reveal it soon from now, you are going to laugh or you are going to be upset with themselves. I want what I told them. But me, I promise you no. And me, I promise you no. I prank them. Me watch the video. Here, King. Shay too ashamed to come in the video. Me say me laugh to blouse and skirt. Let me tell you something. The way how the man say it, you can't just know it's a joke. You understand? The whole I know I laugh after them and talk about how them not have no money and them shame and them figure look work. Them see about them whole heap of YouTube money and every money where they get and they invest it in their own property now. You understand? So continue laugh after them. Remember me been telling you that, you know. King and Shay are prank the entire internet. Alright? Like and share and give me a follow so that we can talk when the truth reveal.
Yo, you see King and Shay, when I start beating until you have sense in it. Because when you find a new yard and now you come show it to the internet, there is no need to show where you're staying. I don't know if I don't tell on the fans, yo, we see if you do good. And that's alright. But then again, me know why I want to share it. It's because you guys are lazy and you're seeking pity. I don't chat too much at this point. And you know, if we are being honest, on the name of a move from which part of the day, despite what I go on, here's a look at insights why I say when I shouldn't move. There is a thing called squatters' rights. But I love the drama, so people can send on the money. Be careful, you know. Be careful. People will call police on you and report you. Remember the status. I just wish you could have just put on the camera for once and just work and support the family. Because we feel like when I get the chance, I'm just a farm foolery, you know. What you want to do to know, want to share which part on the day and the problems that you're faced with. I mean, I think when you know so you can get the landlord in major trouble. People can call CPS. People can call house inspections. Because based on the video I want to put out, it's not a livable space. And if you look on this space, you know say winter forward. So you know say in this a good at freezing. And if you not lie, I think when you send a running water now, they don't need that. So why share this to the media? King and Shay, please get it together. Yeah? Because enough youth want the chance. When you get it, I may feel like when I farm fool on myself. Bless up though.
Is it just me? But at one point, I sorry for King and Shay. But ever since I watched the new vlog with them claims that them new house, I'm not sorry for them again. I feel like King and Shay use them help on people. Them find out, say, the people on the internet vulnerable and love spend. So them just give them a show so them spend money. Because there's no way I'm gonna live like that and post it make people see. So obviously they have an ulterior motive, and that ulterior motive is to drain y'all pockets. Okay? So I'm not sorry for them again.
Remember my forward that I said, which part King and Shay there is not a livable space. Now Mrs. Shay wake up and she do a video. And I hear Mama voice. And Mama sound like a curtain lizard. So you know in a little place that it no warm, none at all. And I see that. So you know so we didn't go cold. But then again, there they are on the internet again. Looking donations. Nah learn. Jaja. But you know, migrating to the United States and not have a plan is crazy, you know. And nothing wrong with having a plan and a plan fail. At least you come with a plan and it work out. At this point, go look a job or just go home. You not help on yourself and expect people to help you. Not even God not gonna help you. Because there's a saying that goes, God help who help themselves. So the sorry for something there, people are get tired of it at some point. And the time when I spend on the internet, get off of the internet and pray. You know, prayer helps enough time. I just like, you know, self-therapy. But this is the United States. Be careful. Tell about CPS. You know. You hear me? I want not there, not livable. For kids. You hear me tell you? And the currents them out. So don't go on. Lower the internet.
It look like, for God's sake, King and Shay are pranksters. Like, this is legit what they are known for. This is what they do for a living. They must be tired for prank them one another. So them start prank Uno, the stupid gullible viewers, especially on TikTok, because the most idiotic, most gullible people, them set of people them there on TikTok. So them change the prank from them one another. Now Uno them must start prank. Cause from when me is. But when urban talk, urban obsessed. Good, wanna get chop. Wanna not tired to get chop? Good for other we said on the money. Good. Good. You see, and this is why they will never prosper, and destruction have to take them, and embarrassment and shame, because them come and ball the living your water and telling how much lie and for swindle out of no money. False pretense make up all sort of story, do all manner of evil to get money. And I'm pretty sure, if they had came and they had said, guys, we find somewhere now, we just need to look at people would have helped them regardless. They never have to go through this one heap of up and down. So nobody come up, because me and them are argue from them in a house. We just take from them homeless, and I talk about them homeless. Me and them must go from them in a house. Because them homeless shot urban did a take set from them, my love. But that is what we get. Because I've been told y'all. For God's sake, King and Shay are pranksters. Like, this is legit what they are known for. This is what they do for a living. They must be tired for prank them one another. So them start prank Uno, the stupid gullible viewers, especially pan.
What's this? The property here. Yeah, the property gone back more over in the bush. Yeah. Yeah, see my back porch right here, son. See my back porch here, right here. And everything. As me telling us to one dog house over there, so. Dog house over there, so I don't know how the dog house is. I the previous owner, the dog house. The previous owner, the dog house. So the land gone back. You see the post over there, so? See the post there? So the land gone back over there, so you see the post back the dog food. Yeah, guys, so we're up here, so on the back porch.
Yeah, that's the back porch, guys.
Okay, to the back porch. Alright, some on here, so. Bird for the house top. Them on here, so. Guys, the bird on the top of the house. Them a bird on the top of the house. So, yeah, guys, this is the land, 2 acre land. This is the land. And everything, guys, and this is the house. And so, I mean, this is the house. Every day you show them?
Yeah. So now we're going to show you the inside of the house. Okay, but we're going to start from the front.
Alright, you can't talk. Do you want to do it?
You do it, can't be short. Guys, me catch up a cold, so I'm sore.
This is the front porch, guys.
Mommy, want to say hi.
You want to say hi?
One of them sitting there, guys. We cut them. Hi. The man this morning, come chin them up for me. And the man, you know, they had cut about a week ago, he had cut. About 4 days ago, he had cut. So, welcome to our house, guys. Welcome to our house. Hold on, wait. Hello? What do you want? Who do you like to speak to? Okay, guys, welcome in, guys. Welcome in, guys. So, hold on. Who do you like?
Here.
Alright, guys. So guys, right in here guys, this is our
seating area.
Where TV set is gonna be. Yes, so one package come here ready for you. This one package come here, guys. You know, we have 2 nice speakers over here, so you see there, one Jordan and a Nike. Don't know. So it's my daughter over there, so my daughter here. So it's a nice kitchen to cook, people. You know, it's a nice always to cook in the kitchen. You are so neat, it's a nice over there kitchen. It's a nice. Yeah. Walk on the boss, you can ready for you. Yeah, man. Some vegetable, you know? Yeah, it's a nice to cook some vegetable and tea. So, anyway, guys, so, right in here, so. Right in here, so now. Washing machine will come in. Washing machine right in here, so. Washing machine will come in. Up here, so, we have the all the things that we use wash. Right now we have to use the hand and wash out some clothes. You see what I'm saying? And you know, yeah, guys, we have some little bit of food in here and something there. A little bit of food in here. And then something there, you know, there. A little bit of stuff. You know, the eyeglass, the watch, and the ring. Just put them in, you know. And on here, so we have some juice and cooking oil. There's some juice and cooking oil. There's some juice and cooking oil in here, so. We have water on there, so still. You get what I mean? And just for a little bit, actually, I come too close to the fridge. Alright, guys. Well, this is the fridge. You know, people know me love grape, me all about me grape. Is the mess have some juice, butter. You know, we cook rice and peas yesterday, so there's a pot of rice and peas. We have some, you know, rum seasoned vegetables. So I'm saying, vegetable guys, and we have some eggs.
So guys, we have seen and we have heard opinions from other people on the King and Kate situation. But it would appear as a lot of us has been pranked, because these people, they really come on the internet, them put on them pride and everything, and them because I know a lot of people are gonna be sorry for them. They play upon people's emotions in order for them to better off themselves in life, because apparently at the end of the video, as you can see, they got a place to stay, which is really nice, and I'm happy that the kids, you know, seems to be settled and all of that. But crying wolf to the public like that, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Anyway, guys, as I says, these things are just for purely entertainment. Take with a pinch of salt. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.